April 30th. A broad trough over the central United States is driving active convection from the southern plains into the Midwest today, with Dallas-Fort Worth, Kansas City, and Chicago seeing the highest potential for operational disruption as storms organize along a sharpening dry line and advancing cold front. Expect convective clustering with embedded strong cells, localized IFR, and routing impacts through the central corridor. Out west, a weak but persistent trough along the Pacific Northwest coast is maintaining scattered light precipitation and mountain obscuration into Seattle and Portland, with generally VFR below but periodic MVFR in showers and terrain-driven turbulence through the Cascades and northern Rockies. California remains largely under weak ridging with stable conditions, though coastal stratus continues to impact the Bay Area and Southern California terminals early, lifting by late morning with typical onshore flow and localized visibility reductions near the marine layer. Moving into the Rockies, increasing southwest flow aloft is producing gusty surface winds and mechanical turbulence from Denver southward into Albuquerque, with lee-side subsidence keeping most areas dry but bumpy below flight level 200. Across the plains, the primary concern remains convective evolution as daytime heating enhances instability along the frontal boundary, with storms expanding northeast toward Des Moines and into the western Great Lakes, bringing lightning, heavy rain, and brief sealing and visibility drops that may require deviations and holding. In the Midwest, Chicago and surrounding hubs will be near the northern extent of stronger convection, with timing critical for arrivals and departures as storm coverage increases through the afternoon. Further east, a weakening frontal boundary stretches from the Ohio Valley into the mid-Atlantic, producing scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms from Indianapolis through Pittsburgh and into Washington, D.C., with generally lower intensity but still capable of MVFR sealings and brief visibility reductions. The Northeast, including New York and Boston, remains on the cooler side of the boundary with more stable air, though patchy low clouds and light rain may bring periods of IFR, especially during the morning hours under onshore flow. Down into the southeast, a moist and unstable air mass is supporting scattered afternoon convection from Atlanta to Charlotte and into northern Florida, driven by daytime heating and weak surface boundaries, with brief but locally impactful downpours and gusty winds. Florida terminals, including Orlando, Tampa, and Miami, will see typical late-day thunderstorm development with sea breeze interactions, producing short-duration impacts but otherwise VFR outside convection. That's the National Aviation weather picture for today. If this briefing helps your flight planning, consider subscribing for the daily operational outlook. Have the best flight, and we'll see you tomorrow.